Ultra-Shear's expanding line of carbide-tipped router bits now includes a range of 3/4 inch diameter, 1/2 inch shank pattern bits. If you're already using the power of pattern routing in your shop, or if you're ready to start, these bits are just what you've been looking for. Ultra-Shear carbide-tipped pattern bits feature a pair of bearings above the cutting edges compared to most others with a single bearing. We use extra thick micrograin carbide and grind the bevel and the face with ultra-fine grinding wheels. When using a router table, the template is below your work. Even through multiple changes in grain direction, the cut is flawless in this walnut. When using a handheld router, the template is above the work, protecting it from the router base. Even in highly figured quilted maple, there's no tear out. With cut lengths of 1 inch, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, and 2 inches, you can have just the right length for every project, from charcuterie boards to furniture components. We're just getting started with our range of top quality, American-made carbide-tipped router bits. Watch your inbox and YouTube for new profiles coming soon. We manufacture these bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages. Just great bits at a great price. Ultra-Shear carbide-tipped pattern bits. Easy duplication of commercial patterns or any you create yourself. Order yours today. Have an idea for a router bit you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.